Hello, my name is Niels Veld from Torvik Agro and welcome back to a series where I show you how to replace spare parts of the famous Gasolec Brooder. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the thermocouple on the G12 Asco. If you want to replace your thermocouple on the G12 Maxi, you have to watch our other video on this YouTube channel. So this is a closer look on the Gasolec G12 Asco Brooder, and as you can see, this is the thermocouple. It has a length of 60 centimeters. The thermocouple is a very simple but effective safety feature to ensure that no gas will flow through the safety device into the brooder when there's not an ignition. The tip of the thermocouple is located near to the burner unit of the G12 and acts like a flame detector. When the tip is heated up due to the nearby flames, it sends a small voltage through the thermocouple into the safety device. In the safety device there's a magnetic coil that keeps the gas valve open. Gas will go through the burner pipe and will come out the burner unit as flames. These flames will heat up the emitter, which will glow red and start to emit radiation. The thermocouple is a relatively fragile part, and as you can see, it comes out of the side of the safety device and could damage, for example, due to an accidental hit. Other factors that could have impact on the durability of the thermocouple are, for example, how many hours you use the brooder, what kind of chemicals you use while cleaning it. So basically how you treat the brooder in general. Luckily enough, it's a very easy part to replace. You only need a 9mm wrench and of course a new 60 cm Gasolec thermocouple. The first step is to remove the pilot flame cover. The second step is to use the wrench to carefully loosen the thermocouple from the safety device. The third step is to remove the tip of the thermocouple out of the thermocouple holder. The thermocouple holder is this small spring over here. Take the new thermocouple and gently bend it . Make sure there's no kink, like this. Place the thermocouple between the pilot flame tube and the burner pipe. Press the tip of the thermocouple inside the thermocouple holder and push the thermocouple firmly into the holder. Make sure the thermocouple is underneath the burner pipe next to the pilot flame tube. Gently bend the thermocouple to the opening of the safety device. And screw the nut of the thermocouple hand tight before using the wrench to tighten it further. Just make sure that everything is smooth and the thermocouple is positioned in the correct way. Before using the brooder again, please don't forget the pilot flame cover. So this is the method that we use, but depending on the workplace and what kind of tools you have, there are of course other methods. But just make sure that there are no kinks in the thermocouple, that you don't over-tighten the nut of the thermocouple into the safety device, and of course don't forget your pilot flame cover. If you need more information, you can watch our other videos, contact your local dealer or look it up on gasolec.com. Thank you for watching and I will see you at the next one.